Yes, greetings, it's Brum Biker. We outside again, and today I'm going to be speaking to you about correct observations on a bike. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget, like, share, comment, subscribe. We're trying to get these numbers up to 500 subscribers by the next 2 weeks. Help me out, guys. Let's get into it. So, when you're riding a bicycle, you got 3 zones of vision. I wonder if anyone knows what they are. I'll tell you. Okay, so you got in front of you and your periphery. So this is where we should be looking, obviously, see where we're going. So how do we know what's going on behind us? This is where our mirrors come into it. So we've got a left one and a right one. So your mirrors tell you what's going on behind you, and then you got in front of you and your periphery that tells you what's going on in front of you. So the third zone of vision is the ones that a lot of people don't know about, they forget about, etc. And this is a very dangerous one. It's called your blind spot. So that's your third zone of vision, is over your shoulder. That check there is what we call a lifesaver check, and the reason why we call it a lifesaver, because it could save your life. Hint hint, wink wink. So when do we need to be using our mirrors, guys? We use our mirrors anytime we are going to change speed or change direction. Okay, so if we need to slow down, we're going to put the brakes on. The first thing we're going to do is look what's going on behind us. Why do we want to look at what's going on behind us, guys? I'll tell you. The reason why we want to know what's going on behind us, guys, because if somebody's tailgating you like that, and then you put them brakes on, what's that guy going to do behind you? More time. He's going to hit into you. Okay, so have a look what's going on before you put them brakes on. I hope that makes sense. Now, when we're changing speed, if we're going to speed up, again, have a look what's going on behind you. Because you could be trying to change speed as in to go faster, and there's a guy behind you about to overtake. So if you start speeding up and he comes to overtake you, and then you end up parallel to him like that, and there's a car oncoming, what's this guy going to do? He's going to push in, get you out of the way. Instincts, right? Trying to save yourself, not the biker. So that's for that. So the lifesaver check now is chin to shoulder. So what we don't want to be doing is moving our whole body, because if we move our whole body, look what happens to the handlebars. Moving the whole body like that. Okay, so the lifesaver checks is, generally speaking, chin to shoulder, chin to shoulder. All right, so you don't need to move your whole body. Now, why do we do these lifesavers? Well, if you look in these mirrors here, left and right, it will tell you what's going on behind you. Okay, but what it won't tell you, about 3 to 4 feet each side of you either way, it's actually blind. So anything could be hidden in that area, guys. It could be a car, a bus, an e-scooter, one of them Charons. Anything of that nature could be in that area. Okay, so when do we need to use these lifesaver checks? If you don't know, I'm gonna tell you. So we need to use them lifesaver checks anytime we're going to change position. Okay, so if we're going straight and then there's a bit of a hazard there and we need to move over, we need to check what's going on behind us. And then if we're going to move over to the right, before we move over, we're going to check that blind spot area. And it's the same thing on the left. If we're in the right hand lane and we're going to move over to the left lane, for example, we're going to have a look what's going on behind us, and then we're going to check that mirror, check that blind spot, and then we move in. Okay, so what we're going to practice now, guys, I want you to hold your hands in front of you, right? And I want you to think about the signals as well. All right, so the observation signal maneuver, so that's OSM PSL. Okay, so I want you to put your hands in front of you like you're using some handlebars. Okay, so when I say left, I'd like to see mirrors, signal, over the shoulder. And if we're going to go right, if I say right, we do mirrors, right signal, over the right shoulder. Okay, so it's mirrors, signal, maneuver. Okay, are we ready? Okay, so left, now right, signal. Okay, so I want you to keep practicing that, guys. That's the technique that you're going to use every time you need to change position. Okay, that's what I need you to think about. MSL, mirror signal lifesaver. Okay, mirror signal lifesaver. So if we're going to move over to the left, if we're going to take this left turn, mirrors, signal, lifesaver. If we're going to turn to the right, mirrors, signal, lifesaver. Okay, so the idea is to have a look what's going on behind us. Is the car too close? What's going on behind? Let them know where we're going by throwing the signal on. So we let them know we're turning left. And then before we turn left, we're checking that blind spot area to make sure that there's nothing in it before we turn the handlebar. I hope that makes sense to you. Does that make sense? Hopefully it does. Okay, so now we're going to do a little bit of a demonstration of how that works in our real life. Let's go. Right, so also as well, guys, what we want to be doing is before we move away from stationary, we do a nice all-round check. And the reason why we do an all-round check, because you could be sitting there at some lights and you don't do a check, you go to move off and something just comes straight up in front of you, okay, to try and get round you, and it makes everything real dangerous. So before we move away from stationary, we get the bike prepared, ready to go, we look over both shoulders and we get the bike ready to go. So if you notice, guys, I'm using that slow control as I'm coming out, clutch control, controlling the power. So we're going to turn right, so we're doing it again, check, check, check over that shoulder. So if you watch my previous videos, I want you to think about checking in and checking out. So checking out is checks to the right, checking in is checks to the left. So before we're going, making sure there's nothing trying to overtake us, I'm using that slow control coming out, and then we're turning left, get into position. So we're using that mirror signal lifesaver technique. We turn that power off, sorry, the signal off, my bad. So we can use the bus lane here, so I'm going to use this just to demonstrate it. Okay, so we're going to move over to the left lane once that car's gone, and we're going to do MSL, which is mirror signal lifesaver for this purpose. Check, check, let them know where we're going, over the shoulder, turn the signal off. Very straightforward, guys. So once you get this into your head, guys, it should start to just become a natural thing. So it doesn't matter, even if once you've passed your test, etc., you would just ride like this. So we're going to move out. So it's check, check, signal, over the shoulder. And then I'm going to move back over, MSL, check, check, let them know we're going, check in. And then we're turning left again, so we're doing check, check, let them know where we're going, we check in, use that rear brake as we're turning. Okay. Right, so when we see that guy, we get the bike ready to go. Signal off. So we're using this, remember guys, when we're changing lane, changing position, etc. If we're still staying in the same lane, guys, and we're not having to cross over, so say there was an obstruction, but we're staying in the same lane, but we're just going around it, we don't need to use a signal, guys. So we're sitting here at the lights, when the lights go on orange, all round check, gently ease off the clutch. Checking what's going on behind me. So there's a hazard just there, so I was having a look what's going on behind me. And then before we put these brakes on, we're looking in the mirrors, what's going on behind me. We've got that white car behind, it's far away. Now we start pressing the brakes. Get the bike down into first. So look, here we go again. We'll check in, signal on, check in. Signal off. And look, we've got to change lane. Oh, this road's horrible, so we check, check out, move over. Guys, tip for you, what you don't want to be doing on this dual carriageway is riding on that side of the road close to the car doors. So if you see situations like that, what you do is you get yourself, do your MSL, get yourself moved over and dominate the lane next to it. When the road's clear, when you're looking ahead, then we can do MSL, which is mirror signal lifesaver, get yourself back over to the left. Okay guys, so that's the end of this video today. I hope you learned something from this. I hope you get your observations on point. I hope you know exactly what you're doing. Hope you're able to ride safer because of that. Don't forget, please like, share, comment, subscribe and all of that beautiful stuff. We are OUT out. Peace.